Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about air vent component. So left side shows the sheet metal component and how do we create with the forming tool. I'm going to explain. So this is the component. Here initially I have used forming tool on this component, then air vent feature. So I'm going to explain step by step. And this is the forming tool I have created. The yellow portion is forming phase and this is the stopping phase. So let's start now. So now I'm going to create a forming tool. So these are the dimensions. Select front plane, go to sketch, take center line, place it in vertical axis. This is 6.7. This is 100. This is 4.5. This is 107. This is 86. This is 80. This is 1.3. Now we have to take arc. Create a vertical line. This is 37.7. Radius is 53.5. Here make a construction line. And make an arc. This is 135.5. So I have created sketch as per these dimensions. Now I am going to take the revolve feature. So we have to select the center line. Say OK. So revolve feature is created now. Now we have to go to sheet metal, forming tool. We have to select stopping face. There are no cut features here, so we are not going to select any faces to remove. Say OK. So this yellow portion is forming face and this is stopping face. Now I am going to create this component. So now I am going to create this component. So we have to select the top plane, go to sketch, keep it normal. See, one thing we have to remember is tool outer dimension is 100 mm. So the flat sheet should be more than 100. So I am taking it as 120. If you keep exactly 100 while placing the forming tool, it shows an error. So now go to sheet metal module, select base flange. So now I am taking 2 mm thickness and K factor as 0.4. So I have saved this forming tool in this folder. So you can have the shortcut from this open folder. So you can directly save here. So I am placing on this component. See, position, we have to keep it exactly at center. So right click and select this arrow. See, we have to show the origin. See here, it has to be at this location. Say OK. Now it is exactly at the center. So the shape is created now. Now we have to create vent feature. So for creating vent feature, we have to create the sketch. So sketch, try to place it on the top plane, not on this face. So select this top plane, go to sketch, keep it normal. So I am keeping it in wireframe. So this is 70. Now we have to draw the two horizontal and vertical lines. Okay, now come out of the sketch. So this is the sketch we have created now. Now go to sheet metal, select bend feature. So it automatically takes the sketch, so we have to select the face. So we have to select this. So it is automatically removing the material. Now we have to select ribs. See how it is creating. So I am selecting one by one. See here, it is creating one by one. Now we have to go to select this parts. So it is forming one by one. See here. So finally, last circle we have to fill it. So we have to go to fill in boundary. Select the inner circle. See rib thickness, I will take 3, then you can see the difference. See, it is filled now. So these dimensions depending on the thickness. Since I have taken 2 mm, so rib thickness should be, width should be more than the thickness, that is 3 mm. And spars we can increase or reduce. So at this moment I have taken 2 mm and the inner circle is filled. So finally say OK. So the vent feature consumes the sketch which is not visible. So this is the final component. So this is how we create bent components sheet metal module, which is quite different from plastic components. Thank you very much.